Imagine this, just doing this in real life.
Doing this in real life, I'd be either laughing my ass off or be horrified.
We wouldn't be able to move them around, they would just be all below us, we'll just throw fire bombs.
I'd just be dropping them out the side like, yeah, welcome to another day in hell. Leisurely activities.
Yeah.
We really playing this mission spin cycle.
Every Project Zomboid game, whenever you have a helicopter.
POV Project Zomboid, but you have some creativity.
But you have a helicopter.
You have a helicopter and some creativity.
One pilot, one Molotov.
One pilot,
I mean,
a Molotov, and a dream. Man, zombies really do burn. Alright, eventually we'll have the biggest, the worst sound known to man as all of the effects of the zombies dying play at once.
they don't play at once.
They all play at the same time if they die.
Well, it's only for you.
No,
You don't have to do the firebomb.
I might go insane because of this buzzer, but I'll be honest.
You want me to stop honking the horn?
Like, that's gonna change anything. Oh, there they go. I just heard one die.
I don't hear it, just so you know, because you're the one that threw the firebomb. It's all your kills, technically.
I'm worrying even more over because I'm screaming at them.
Are you gonna record this?
Oh yeah, I'm already recording.
Yeah. Best daily activities. Louisville word.
Here, put it in the opposite direction. Put it in the opposite
You want me to move?
direction. I want to
Wait,
open up.
let's go on top of the grass.
No.
No, so it burns the grass and also burns them. Look at them. Look at them. Why would you just shoot one of them? What did that guy ever do?
Oh, it said I shot like 4. Jesus Christ.
Not that many.
Yeah, I like it when the game just stops recording. Leisurely activities.
So if it's
Kinda wanna get
constantly
out.
honked, really?
Kind of. I said it would.
Well, you should right now. We're not moving. All you hear, ah, ah.
That's all you got. You see, this is better than editing.
We should land. Guys, we should land our helicopter in this. Are they really only on that one side? Hey, look, they're all on that one side.
Are you fucking kidding me? I swear, my underwear is green.
Guys, look at this. Zoom in a little bit, Luigi. Like, guys, whenever the winter event happens, we just need to do this. We don't need to hear your background.
How much money for me to jump out right now?
$20.
No, don't. He's not actually gonna give you it.
I'll give you 5 potatoes.
We're completely surrounded, and I don't think you should. Hey, where's my potatoes?
Oh, I ate them.
I just ate all of them.
Oh my god. Where are they gonna stop burning?
Eventually. It does like 1 damage per second.
Guys, we're gonna take a little land.
I gotta find better music. This isn't that
Not here. What? Okay. Ah. No, it won't.
Honestly, I'm out of
I
ideas.
gotta go after it. I love that you can just push him like a freaking merry-go-round.
Guys, we got the merry-go-round of death. What else
Guys,
are we
I'm
gonna
really
do?
tempted to jump out.
If you jump out, you're gonna get lit on fire and get sent to a horrible death.
Look at how many there are. Okay, we're just gonna.
Alright, let's go. We solo.
Wait, do you guys get out?
Fuck you, thank you.
Viewers.
No, Dino. Dino.
What? I'm moving a zombie.
I'm not a zombie.
Hey, you're on fire.
Oh shit, I burned my
You're an
foot.
idiot, bro. Oh my lord.
Shit, might be. Oh hey! Look, I still got one of my favorite things. Damn, back up.
It damages me crazily. Terrible throw. All I'm gonna have to say.
I know. I burned my foot pretty good.
I just killed a mute.
Nice.
Okay, let's go. Actually,
Hey, you know we're coming from the other side now, right?
Huh?
I
They're
really
coming
want.
from
Here, hold up. I'm
directions.
gonna try this crossbow.
Hey, you know they're coming from all directions.
Oh shit, yeah, let's go.
Okay, it's fine.
QG, switch sides when you get in. Is everyone in?
Go, go.
Go! Go!
That's a brute. Yeah, no, we ain't putting up with that shit.
We go to the armory.
Go to the hospital and no balls.
No,
I don't know where
let's
the
go to
police. I don't know where it is.
Let's go to the hunting store.
Where?
At least go to the hospital, it's burned down. Alright, I'm gonna stop recording.